Hey guys, this is Karol here with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how you can actually do affiliate marketing with YouTube without showing your face. Alright, we're going to use and leverage the power of YouTube Shorts, and for this method you don't need to pay for any services or any software, so it's completely free and you don't need to show your face. Alright, so this method we're just going to leverage the power of YouTube Shorts and the fact that they are really booming right now and it's a really trending thing, and YouTube is actually pushing those accounts that are using these YouTube Shorts. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. I fire up my laptop and show exactly step by step how to do this. Alright guys, so I'm on my laptop over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to use only two websites. Alright, the first one is going to be canva.com. Alright, Canva is a free software. Alright, they've got a paid version, but for our purposes and for many other purposes you don't really need that. I personally use Canva on a daily basis for different purposes, and I only use the free version. We're going to use Canva. Okay, so what you need to do with Canva is, if you don't have your account yet, just create one. It's completely free. I think you can register with Facebook or Google as well. So just do that and then come back. The second website we're going to use is obviously YouTube. All right, YouTube. On YouTube we're going to leverage the videos on YouTube that are already there, and we're going to edit them in Canva, okay, and re-upload them as ours. Now, what is great about this, that it is, that you're not using anything else. There is not going to be any copyright or anything like that. What we're going to do is we're going to use the videos that are actually allowed to be used like this. All right, so what we need to do is we need to think first of all about your affiliate marketing niche. Right, you need to stay in your niche in order to make it relevant for your audience. Now think of your affiliate niche. I am in a make money online niche or affiliate marketing niche, so I can either be literally in this niche, or I can go a little bit wider and choose something like motivational videos or inspirational, something like this, right, where I can possibly tap into a broader audience, but at the same time I can maybe find more and better videos to use. All right, so I'm going to go for that. So I'm going to do motivational video. Right, and here is a very important step. What we need to do, we need to go into the filters, all right, and choose this. It's called Creative Commons. That means these videos are actually good to reuse and re-upload as your own, right? There is no copyright on these videos, so just click on that. All right, and then what we're going to do is just choose any of these videos. All right, I like to use just some short ones which you can actually just get and download, so I'm going to go for under 4 minutes as well, maybe. All right, and obviously we're not going to use this one, but something different, right? Something like this one or something like this one. All right, we can use actually this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link. We don't need to watch it at the moment, but we're going to take this link, all right, and we're going to download. We want to download the whole video. Right now, where you can download it, there are many ways how to download a YouTube video. I personally use just like this YouTube downloader in the Google and just choose one of these. I like this one, so I'm just going to paste the link over here, convert, and then I'm going to download it as an MP4 video. That's right, download. Alright guys, so the video is downloaded. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Canva, alright, and we're going to click on create a design. Now what we need to do is we need a frame size that is the YouTube Shorts frame size, which is a horizontal video, just like the Instagram Reels video. Now we don't have the option for YouTube Shorts, so we're going to choose Instagram Reels video. Right, now let's just head over there, and now we have our frame size over here. As you can see, it is horizontal video, and we actually downloaded a vertical one, which is all good, we need to just adjust it. So first of all, we uploaded the video. We're going to put the video over here and we're going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, now it can go on how you want. Okay, and we're just going to adjust it so it is in the middle. Okay, in the middle of the frame size. Now you can play it a little bit so you know exactly how it looks like. Okay, you can adjust the size how it fits your needs. Okay, and make sure it is in the middle of the frame. Okay, so let me just find the middle. Here is the middle. So it can be something like this. Okay, no problem. Now as you can see, here is like on the top white and here is white. We're going to adjust it, don't worry about it, but first we need to trim the video, okay, into 60-second video. So just choose a 60-second frame size or 30-second frame size, whatever you want. Okay, the one that you want to use. All right, and just trim it. So let's just use, for example, this one, and I'm going to use something like this. Okay, again, this is just for the purposes of this video. Make sure that what you're actually doing is going to look good. All right, now what we're going to do, obviously these white sizes are not looking good. All right, but what we're going to do is use a little bit of a background. So choose one. Okay, I personally like, for example, this wooden one. It looks just nice and cozy and peaceful. All right, so we can use this one. Okay, now it looks a little bit better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some elements into it. Okay, let's just say this one, and we're going to use it over here like this. Okay, like this, and we can actually copy it and paste it and do the exact same thing over here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do a little bit of a transparent, so it's not like that, but we're going to change the color as well a little bit to let's say gray. Okay, we're going to use gray and do a little bit of a transparency over here, right, like this. How much was it? 58, right, something like this. And then we're going to add some text into it. So we want people to actually encourage people to click on our link in the description below. Okay, we want to encourage them to click on our affiliate links. So here we just write, something that will motivate them to do some action. All right, so like, for example, make it worth. All right, so as it is a motivational video, we can do some kind of a motivational call to action as well. All right, so let's just use it like this and just put it in the middle so it is nice and clear. All right, that's it, perfect. Okay, again guys, you can do whatever you want. You can change the colors and everything, and here we can put click the link in description. Right, again, just make it a little bit smaller so it fits the frame size. All right, we'll use it like this and this. Okay, now let's just delete all of this. Okay, now we have a nice video. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, so what we want to do now is we just download the video. All right, and we're going to upload it onto YouTube. All right guys, so the video is downloaded. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to upload it straight to YouTube. All right, just like you would upload any other normal video you upload. Now for this, usually you would do a lot of SEO on YouTube for your video, but for now we don't really need to do that because we're more about creating the video to go with viral rather than actually people searching it in the normal and traditional way. All right, so just put something like, what is actually a keyword for this particular video. All right, you don't necessarily need to check it or do some research of it, as it is a motivational video. This one I'm just going to use best motivational video, let's say video 2021. All right, and the most important thing we need to do is we need to use hashtag shorts. All right, and that's the way how YouTube is going to know that this video is actually a shorts video. All right, we can put it also into the description. Again, no need to do any other things. We are not trying for people to find it in the traditional way. All right, so just go through these settings. Again, text, you can put the name over there, the main keyword over there which you're using, but nothing else is that much important. All right, now wait until the whole video is uploaded and then just publish it as it is. Now guys, don't obviously expect tremendous or just millions of views from one of the videos. Okay, it's not gonna be like that, but the more you will do, the more chances are that your video is going to go viral and you're going to get a lot of attraction. I'm using YouTube Shorts and I see great audience coming in to my channel just by using YouTube Shorts, so it's definitely working, and this method is also going to help you very well also to grow your channel on YouTube. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, let me know in the comment section below, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about it, what are your results with it. Now guys, if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you want to learn a little bit more about it, how to develop and build your own affiliate marketing business, I have a 4-day video series where I go in great detail about all of it. It's completely free, so if you are interested in that, go ahead and grab the link in the description below. That's it guys for today. Have a great rest of the day and I will see you soon in the next videos. Bye guys.